LOL Swim.
Coastal Cutie.
Coral Waves.
Paradise VIP. Aha!
Uh-huh. Why is there only 3?
Yes. Ta-da.
Guys, do our outfits suit the swim vibes?
Oh yeah, we're going swimming.
Oh my god. I love the bodies of the LOL dolls.
Yeah.
They look really cool.
Very curvy.
Oh, look at her little duck.
Oh yeah, she has a duck too.
Oh, it's the same.
Same.
Yeah, same.
Same one.
Oh my god, her hair is pretty.
Her hair is a bit wild. How can they stand? Yeah.
They can't.
They can't.
Oh, no
Maybe-
articulation.
Maybe just this. Look. Haha.
Why does she look like Tate McRae? Like,
Oh, she does.
you know the music video?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that. Little backwards walk. They are really cute.
Yeah, and the fashion's pretty good.
Oh, she's cute.
She's cute. She looks like Riviera from Mermaids.
Whoa. Cute. She's really cute.
What is this thing that she got? Oh, this is her hair. Oh, I thought it's like a lace thing.
Her hair's just like very gelled and wild. Who's your favorite?
Coastal Cutie.
I think my favorite is her, and I forgot her name.
What about Paradise VIP?
She's cute too.
Yeah.
All 3 of them are cute.
So cute.